Hi friends, hope you're doing fine. Today I'm sharing my learnings from the book Almanack of Naval Ravikant by Eric Jorgenson, where the author teaches us understand how to create wealth, build judgment, learn the skills of decision making, learn to love to read, understand the happiness is a choice. Understand how to create wealth. To get rich, seek specific knowledge, accountability, and leverage. Pursue your genuine curiosity and passion rather than whatever is hot right now in the market. Specific knowledge is often highly technical or creative and cannot be outsourced or automated. Take business risks under your names as much as possible. Take credit when things go well and ownership when things go wrong. Society rewards those with responsibility, equity, and leverage. Leverage comes in the form of labor, capital, or through code or media. Labor requires followers, capital requires leaders. Code or media, however, are permissionless and work while you sleep. You will not get rich by renting out your time. To gain a financial freedom, you must own a equity, a piece of a business. Give society what it wants, but does not yet know how to get it at a scale, the business. Build judgment. If wisdom is the knowledge behind the long term consequences of your action, judgment is the knowledge to make the right decision to capitalize on those actions. In the age of leverage, one correct decision can win everything. Judgment is underrated. To build judgment, you must keep abreast of current trends and study technology, design, and art and become the best in the world at something. The direction you head in matters much more than your pace, so choose wisely. Judgment, especially demonstrated judgment with high accountability and clear track record, is very critical. Warren Buffett has been right over and over in the public domain, and for that reason has a massive credibility. Being at the extreme in your art is crucial in the age of leverage. Learn the skills of decision making. To make better decisions, learn mental models. A mental model is an explanation of how something works. Inversion, to borrow a popular example, is a mental model that invites you to be less wrong rather than more right. If you can't decide, then the answer is no. We live in abundance. There are countless options to choose from. If, however, you are evenly split on a different and a difficult decision, take the path more painful in the short term. Easy decisions, hard life. Hard decisions, easy life. For more important decision, discard memory and identify and focus on the problem. The smaller you can make your ego, the less conditioned you can make your reactions. The fewer desires you will have about the outcome you want, and the easier it will be to see it in reality. Being at the extreme in your art is again very crucial in the age of leverage. Learn to love to read. To build specific knowledge, read what you love until you love to read. If you are a slow reader, read 1 hour per day. It will likely put you at the upper echelon of human success within 7 years. If you are a fast reader, slow it down. It's not a race. The better the book, the slower it should be absorbed. Read science, math, and philosophy, but be selective. Read the fundamentals, then reread them. It's better to read a book that you are excited about 100 times than it is to read 100 average books that don't. If a book does not interest you at first, flip ahead, skim, or speed read. If it still does not interest you after the first chapter, drop the book. Most books have one point to make. Once you get the gist of a book, put it down. Understand happiness is a choice. Happiness is not about positive thoughts, nor is it about negative thoughts. Happiness is the absence of desire. To quote Ravikant, desire is a contract you make with yourself to be unhappy until you get what you want. In a situation in life, you always have three choices. You can change it, you can accept it, or you can even leave it. If you want to change it, then it is a desire. To avoid distraction, pick one desire in your life at a time to give yourself purpose and motivation. If you want to accept it, trace the growth and improvement that comes from previous experiences you have had in your life. Or ask yourself, what is the positive outcome of this situation? There's almost always something positive which can be bring about. If you're interested to watch such inspirational and knowledgeable summaries which can transform your life, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates.